Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and happy Tuesday. If this is your first time stopping by, let me say thank you for stopping in. And if you make it to the end of the video and you enjoyed what you've watched, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. So let's get started on our first project of the day. So before we get started, let me introduce you to the things that we'll be using for today's project. The first item I picked up from the resale store, Good Paws, that's here in Northwest Indiana, and this was $4. Now, I think this is a candle, but it's actually two pieces. So it's this smaller container on the inside, and I don't know, it has like a spring type effect in the bottom and a hole, but we're going to do something with this piece. And this is the larger vessel that it came with. Now it is plastic and there is another unit underneath, but we're going to make do with both of these pieces. If you guys know what this is, let me know because I'm not sure. Okay, so I have that. I pulled out some silver washi tape as well as some iridescent bling wrap. I have this vase that I found in my stash. So for me, I didn't want to go out and buy anything. I'm trying to use up some of the product or pieces, craft pieces that I have left over in my stash. So I only had one of these little vases. So I'm going to use it on today. I have these little rhinestones. They're really, really pretty. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. I just want to show you what they look like. Very, very pretty. I'll probably use these on the project. Not sure. I have my hot glue gun along with some clear glue sticks. I also have my E7000. And then last, I have some more bling wrap. It's of different sizes. I love this. This is really, really pretty. And it comes in different widths. As you can see, this is the largest one here. This is the smallest band here. So I'm not sure which I'll use, but I do have them. I cleared my table and we're ready to start on the first project. I'm going to push the larger vessel to the side and I'm going to grab this smaller one. For this one, I'm going to take my towel here and make sure the top is clean because I will be gluing the little round vase from Dollar Tree to it. I'm going to use my E7000 and glue it to the top. I'll also add a little glue to the glass to make sure I have a good contact. For the larger vessel, I have my washi tape. Now, I pulled out the washi tape because if you look at the cylinder, it looks like it has a washi tape on it. I'm going to use the washi tape, and I'm also going to use this bling wrap. I really, really like it. I think I'm going to take the smaller one and go around the top. And look at this. I have just enough. And on the bottom, I think I'm going to use the medium size. Let me just check and see if there's enough. Just enough. Now this bling wrap is self-adhesive, so I'm going to pull it apart, but I also want to turn my vessel upside down to get started. I'll use the silver washi tape to go right above. Flipping it right side up, and it's looking pretty good, pretty good. Now at the top, I'm gonna take the smaller trim and I'm gonna go right under this silver band that looks like washi tape with this bling wrap. And just like I did at the bottom, I'll go right ahead and use the washi tape underneath. It looks really nice, but we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna go ahead and take the larger band of bling wrap and we're gonna take it right around the center, trying to keep it as straight as possible.
Damn, Schwazi, I love this beat.
And I may as well do the same thing, use that washi tape right above the bling wrap.
Damn, Schwazi, I love this beat.
And look how pretty it turned out. I gave this one about 2 hours to dry, and you have to be really careful because it should dry 12 to 24 hours. But I'm ready to take my bling wrap and go around the center of the bottom of this piece.
Damn, Schwazi, I love this beat.
And of course, I'm going to follow the same steps with this washi tape right above the bling wrap on this piece. On the top, I'm going to use the medium-sized bling wrap, and I'm using this because it's a little stretchy and it should go around the top of my glass. Beautiful, but of course, I'm going to use these rhinestones to dress it up just a little bit more. I'm going to add them right around the lip of the bottom of the vase or glass or candle holder, whichever you want to call it. So I'm just putting a little E7000 on a few of the pieces to allow it to get a little tacky, and then we're going to put them right around the edge. I have them all on. I'm going to press them and hold them into place, let them dry, and we'll come back to see them all on display. I'll see you in a bit.
Damn, Schwazi, I love this beat.
These turned out absolutely beautiful. And here you can see I'm using the smaller one as a candle holder. Very, very pretty. And the larger vessel I'm using as a flower vase. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And here I just want to show you how both of them look as candle holders. So here you have multiple choices. I love, love, love how these turned out. And since we're in the month of February, I added the red accents to these to make them even more occasional. Love how they turned out, but don't forget to let me know which look is your favorite.
Damn, Schwazi, I love this beat.
I wanted to show you guys how it pairs in my dining room for the Valentine's Day holiday. As you guys know, this weekend, February 2nd, I'm leaving town for my birthday. My birthday is February 6th, and yes, I will be 65 years old. I'm celebrating 65. Seniors doing it, putting a new 5 in the 65. And when I return, I will be having guests over for the Valentine's Day weekend. So I wanted my room complete. Let me know, what do you think? If you're out there watching and you like this type of content, you want to make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll know when I upload videos. Also, make sure to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.